welcome back to the Good Times We Share. Today we are making banana chocolate chip muffins. We hope you enjoy this recipe as much as we do, and please don't forget to check the description down below for all the ingredients you need. So to get right into it, 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 150 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. I must say the pinch of salt is optional if you're using salted butter. So if you're using salted butter, you don't have to add salt. So mix this really well and then set it aside. So once that is done, we get another bowl, put in 3 large, really ripe bananas. The more mature your bananas are, the better they are for this recipe, as much as my experience goes. So just mash them up really well. Once that is done, put in 40 grams of plain white yogurt, 15 ml of milk, 2 large eggs, 75 grams of melted butter, which can be replaced by oil, vegetable oil, and a half teaspoon of white vinegar. And you're just going to mix this up really well. It might take you some time to get the perfect consistency throughout the bowl, so mix this for as long as you need to get your perfect consistency and the perfect level of mixing. So once this is mixed, we are then going to pour it into our dry ingredients so that we can mix everything together. So I think we're good here. So this is well mixed. So we're just going to pour this into the flour mix that we had mixed earlier. And we're just going to start folding this in gently, making sure to be very gentle with this, because if we overbeat it or do it too roughly or too fast, we might ruin the consistency of our muffins that we do not want. So be very gentle with this and do it slowly. And please use a spatula, not a whisk. So at this point, then you put in 80 grams of chocolate chips, which you can do more, but for me, I think that's enough. So once that is mixed, you're then going to start putting it into your muffin tray that you have prepared. As you're doing this, preheat your oven for at least 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So just fill this up really well. And after filling it up, we're going to put a bit more of chocolate chips on top, just for the aesthetics of it, for them to look really nice when they're baked. Already they look amazing, but of course we have to bake them for about 20 to 25 minutes for us to be able to eat these amazing muffins. So in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes, voila, this is what you should have. They look amazing, and believe you me, they taste amazing. They are all cooked well through inside. So buon appetito a tutti. Until next time, it's bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share.